swim, Nitro?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go swim.
What's this?
It's the swimming pool, Nyla.
What's this? Oh, look.
Oh, helicopter! No! It's a big helicopter! Hey, Dwantro Fam, nandito kami sa Sofitel, Manila. We have checked in here overnight. And then bukas, uwi na kami. Mag-swimming muna, bonding muna. One last time, bago uuwi ang kapatid ko ang bayaw ko sa Australia.
You're not gonna fall down, baby.
We're going home. Nitro, you say goodbye to Auntie Amby. Say goodbye to Auntie Amby.
We're going to Australia.
Oh.
You want to go to Australia?
I'll see ya, Romeo. Bye, buddy. See you later. Cuddles. Cuddles, Nitro. That's it. Yes. Bye, Nitro. I want to go to Australia, he says.
Nitro, he wants a cuddle, Nitro. He's going to Australia. The bridge is broken, baby. It's only 7:20. What did they say, Dwayne?
Bridge is washed out.
So what?
It's really good. All the way back to Joong or something. It's like an 11-kilometer detour. So.
Oh my gosh.
It sucks, doesn't it? Go back.
They're still laughing because you speak Tagalog.
Alright guys, it is about midnight, 12, and we have about 15 hours to go. So we'll get to Leyte about, in the afternoon. No, depende sa ferry. Gising si Nitro.
Natulog siya kanina from 8:30 to hanggang ngayon.
Yes. Ewan ko. And we're at Takwalayan, I think. Takwa, I can't remember the name of this place. But it's like a roadhouse. Little road stop. We bought some snacks. Umihi kami. So yun. Alright, let's keep going. Let's go, Nitro. Tara na.
Tara na, Daddy.
He's tired.
This beautiful life.
Oh, it's so windy. Tingnan yung mga puno. Grabe. Lakas ng hangin. Alright guys. Whoa. I'm super haggard. We've been driving since 3 p.m. yesterday. It is now, 5? 6? 6 na ba? Parang 6 na, no?
It's 8:19.
Oh my gosh, it's 8 a.m. na the next day. I slept for 1 hour and a half. 1 hour and 30 minutes.
4 p.m. yesterday. Nasa Makati pa tayo.
Oo nga eh. Woo! Okay. So yeah, all night we've been driving. Grabe. Almost there at Matnog. Then once we get to Samar, it's 7 hours na lang. Driving from Samar to Leyte, Kalinga. Hey. Alright, Dwantro Fam. So, ito yung pila. Oh no! Haba ng pila. The boats are not moving. So, dito lang kami, nag-aantay until it's our turn to ride the boat. Stranded daw tayo eh, dahil sa bagyo. The boats are not going to Samar yet. Baka mayang hapon, they might start again. So I think bukas pa kami makakasakay sa ferry. Nakakainis eh. We drove all night. Para sana we would get home today, but now we're stranded. This sucks. How you doing? Kamusta? Nitro, are you okay?
Are you okay, Nitro? Yeah, that's my phone.
Yeah.
Pang anti-stress.
Nakakaloka. So I got the papers. I paid like for 5 different things. Terminal fee here, terminal fee there. You know, the fare going over. And then nakapasok kami. We're driving. Kala namin tapos na. Diretso na sa barko. And then we had to stop again for another pila.
Oh no! Hindi pa daw umaandar pala. Pero sabi doon, umaandar na yung mga roro. Pero wala pa pala. Nakakalito.
Nakakalito eh. May isa pang pila. Wala pa rin nakasakay.
But
if I had known that, why did I pay? I didn't want to pay if like wala pa. I would have gone to Sorsogon.
Akala ko, pag nagbayad ka na, sure na makakasakay ka na kasi nagbayad ka na.
Oo nga eh.
Ano ba yan?
Yeah. No, that's ridiculous. Nakakainis. I feel like we should just go to Sorsogon.
No, we're already here. I feel like
yeah, but look, the pila is like sobrang
no, like what he said, pag mag-start na magkuan, maglakatan mga roro, damunan magdadara.
Kaloka.
Yay! You are
Finally,
now leaving
we're
Island of
here.
Luzon. Tayo na ang next na sasakay. Yes.
Kakasila sa holiday, no? Pag ganito yung ending, like,
Australia,
I've waited
Daddy.
here all day.
Australia.
Yeah, oh no, we're not going to Australia, buddy. It's nearly 5 p.m. So what? 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's been 8 hours. 8 hours of waiting. In line.
Yung pa yun.
nagtatagalog.
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
Salamat po. Thank you po, sir.
We're going to Australia.
My embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm holding.
Afternoon po.
Speaking Tagalog. Siyempre.
Bisaya din, waray.
Bisaya. Okay guys, we're finally on the boat. We are on the ferry. Hey Nitro, on the big boat. Okay. And we're going to Samar. Time is about 6:30 p.m.
Australia.
No, we're not going to Australia.
We're going to Australia.
Not yet.
Summer than Leyte.
So we got about a 7-hour drive after we get to Samar. From Allen to Dahil. Lapit na!
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Hey guys, we made it! We are in Leyte, Tacloban now. We drove for 5 hours after we landed in Allen, Samar. And I got over the San Miguel Bridge into Leyte and I was like, I really can't do it anymore. And grabe ang daanan, no?
Sa Samar.
Sobrang windy, sobrang daming potholes, sira, lubak, kalsada. It was so hard to drive when you're so tired. 5 hours straight, all through Samar. Grabe. But now we're in Leyte again, the roads are a bit better here. And we're going home.
Si Bibi Nitro nasa likod mo. Pagod na pagod.
Oh, nice. So we've been driving for what? It's day, I don't know, we left on
Manila.
the 11th.
4 p.m.
4 p.m. It's now the 13th, 6 a.m. And we had to wait for 9 hours para sa ferry sa Matnog. So
Dahil yun sa bagyo.
Bagyo. If it wasn't for that, we would have been there 9 hours ago. Alright, let's
Part
go.
na yun sa road trip. Ano ka ba?